always here, man.
We are not alone. And they didn't take anything.
I don't know why they never take anything, because my jewelry they right there, so. Camera do this, so.
It seems that this man probably working for somebody else.
Yeah, man.
Of course he's a thief. Because he steal the scroll and the diamond.
He break into my house.
And he broke into the house. He's a damn thief. And so the thief come to kill and destroy.
Just hit me in my head back here, so. I can't understand it.
And I'm next as far as it's concerned. So right now, this man have no chance with me.
Smell from my higher source.
I'm not afraid of this man. No way, no how. But you know what I'm afraid of? You have the people them who's behind this, who probably we're chilling with them, sitting with them, reasoning with them, and don't know. Wolf in a sheep clothing. You know?
Something like that.
Who could they be?
Well, I don't know, you know, as I say. The last thing he said, don't look for me no more.
How does he know that we're even looking for him?
I don't know.
And I wonder, me and Jamal is so cool. And I link up with him to meet him. And this man never have no time. How come here all of a sudden him not have no time?
And get forward the camera and get forward him sound equipment them, you know what I mean? So that's the reason why probably you can't see it.
Right, so now this don't look good, Rasta.
We'll try him again then, give him one more try.
This thing is mysterious. Something is mixed up. We don't understand. And I want to drive around and start look vigorously. Rastafari.
Yes, sir.
I really do like you a lot. I love you. You're my friend. But I just
Well,
I don't know what to say.
what more can I do? I did everything. I climb Mount Kilimanjaro for you. I give you jewelry, I give you the house, everything you want. What more can I do to win your watch? Everything I can. There's nowhere else that I could go.
I don't know my feelings. I don't want it to be about money or jewels or things, you know. Love you as a friend. And it's just kind of, I have to know my feelings true for you. It's moving so fast, everything.
Can you find your heart to sympathize with me? You know, give this a try.
I just don't know my feeling, my true feelings, you know. I want to be true to you, but I want to be honest and just tell you that
I don't know what I can do to convince you, but I have something spectacular for you this time. Something I hope you will like. This right here. It's priceless. That's for you. That's to show you how much I really care.
oh my God. It's so beautiful.
I know you like it, huh? I'm glad you like
Yes, I like it.
it. Like it.
Been looking for you for the longest, man. It's a lucky thing you were passing by so I could stop you.
Got your message, man, but I'm kind of busy, man.
Busy?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but it's very important you call big man and tell him, detective, tell him that he should get in touch with me. And I'm trying to get in touch with you over the time. I know we even getting ourselves in some deep things now with this, and we can't find you at all.
Yeah. Well, you want to see, you know, still remember him as a club owner. And things kind of rough, and I'm tied up.
Because it's getting dangerous, you know, because the main suspect come now and even knock out detective. And
So, where is somebody knock out detective?
yeah, big things, gun and knock him out and knock him in the back of his head. If it wasn't for his locks, the man would be probably, who knows, probably dead.
And just give me a step by step, you know what I mean? And let me know everything where I go on still, you know? Alright?
No
Yeah,
problem.
man. So, Indo.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, see?
Jamal, more love and strength.
Yeah, bless you. And just tell detective, see? Tell detective, some boy, be careful and be sorry for your rat, see?
Sure.
Alright?
So, we believe in you.
Alright.
Alright, take care of yourself, yeah?
Yes, sir. Alright.